Guys, welcome back to CKC Casual Korean Cooking. Today we'll be making mumal랭이, or in English, spicy dried radish slices. So let's get to it. That was 2 medium radish and 2 small radish. And now we are going to add kosher salt. So this is 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, and 5 tablespoons of kosher salt. And now we are going to mix it. So now we're done mixing it, and we are going to leave the radish for 3 hours at room temperature, but if possible, at the 2-hour mark, flip the radish over so you can get the salt get onto the other side of the radish. Now we are going to take the radish after the 3-hour mark. We're going to take it into a colander. So let's get to it. Now we took the radish into the colander, and we're going to leave the radish in the colander for 30 minutes for the water to come out of the radish. So now we are going to take the radish and I put them somewhere dry. So as you can see, we put the little door thing on this so the sun can come in and then dry the radish out. Day 3 is finally complete, and we're going to take all the dried radish and put it into a colander. Alright, so this is the result of the dried radish that we dried outside for 3 whole days. And now we're going to take this radish and put it into cold water for 30 minutes. So we'll see you guys then. Now we took the dried radish and put it into cold water. So you guys might be wondering what the green leaves are. The leaves are from the chilies that we have in our backyard. If you take the chilies and dry them together with the dried radish, then you'll have a better taste when you eat the 무말랭이, or spicy sliced radish. So like the other kimchi videos, now we are going to make the rice paste, or 찹쌀풀. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 cup of cold water. And we're going to put the heat to medium-high. And we're going to mix it until it starts boiling. Now it's boiling, so we're going to turn the heat off. And we're going to leave it without the heat so it can cool. Now we're going to make the broth. So we're going to add 2 cups of cold water. Now we're going to add 3 pieces of dried kelp. Then we're going to add a small handful of dried anchovies. When it starts boiling, you're going to boil it for 5 more minutes, and you're going to turn the heat off, then just leave it to cool down. Now we're going to take the radish in the water and put it into a colander to drain all the water. So now we are going to take half a small onion, 6 cloves of garlic, and put it into a blender. So now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking syrup. One tablespoon of honey. Two stalks of chopped green onion. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. So now we're going to add something that my mom made at home. So it's basically ginger syrup, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of it, which is 생강청 in Korean. Now we are going to add a rice paste that we made earlier. Now we're going to mix thoroughly. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribing and liking would really help us, so please consider, and we'll see you guys next time.